This video, we can see that our camera has secretions on it and it's impairing our view and our continuous visualization. First step was to take saline and flush it through the port. Took a 10 cc syringe and in intervals of 1 cc at a time, I flush through our provided port, and after a few times, you see that the camera starts to slowly clear from its secretions. So the next step is, after the saline flushing, you take air and you inject air with a 10 cc syringe, and slowly the saline that was in the port will clear away. The air will start going through the flush port area. So now the camera was cleaned very nicely with the saline, and the air would just finish off the process by clearing the remaining saline from the camera area. And as you see, everything clears up and we're back to continuous visualization and our camera is clean.